Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a 15-minute makeup challenge video. I'm gonna try and do my makeup in 15 minutes. I know 15 minutes can sound like a lot of time, but for me 15 minutes is like eyebrows and that's it, like literally. So we're gonna try and make it work. I'm going to try and do my full face in 15 minutes. Wish me luck, because every time I do a quick 10-15 minutes makeup, it never comes out right. It doesn't come out right. Daniel Akimorayo, can you hear this? Every time I do a 10-15 minutes makeup, it doesn't come out right. So let me do my 1-hour makeup. Okay, I'm trying to put the 15 minutes on my phone so that it can tell me so I put, I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Focus. So I put 15 minutes and I'm going to hit start. So it started. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, I am breaking out. I should have sharpened my pencil before I did this. I should have sharpened my pencil before doing this. Okay, let's do this. One thing my mom always told me is, when you want to do something and you're like nervous, just don't think about it. Think about something else. So I'm going to try and think about something else and just go with the flow. Shit, I should have done foundation first. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows for now, and then oh my god, I can do this. I can fucking do this. This shit. Please don't laugh. 2 minutes is gone already. Ah! Y'all, 2 minutes is gone already. Oh my god. 2 minutes till already. Okay. After foundation, everything is good. Once you have foundation on, everything is bad. There's no time to be blending. There's no time to be blending neck with face. No time. Oh my god. I'm trying not to look at the time, but I can't help myself. I can't help myself. You guys, why does my foundation look very warm? Trust me, it doesn't look like that in person. And it's raining today, so it's really dark outside. It's affecting my setup. Oh. This is not working. I can do all things, all things, all things. I can do all things with Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things, all things, all things. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:10. I can do all things, all things, all things. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:10. I can do all things, all things, all things. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians, you guys. Sing with me. I can do all things, all things, all things. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things, all things, all things. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Ah. Let me freak it out. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Okay. Shit. If you can stay in one place, it would be really nice. Oh my God. Can you see how much powder I put on my face? This is not working. Oh shit, I have powder on my phone. You like, am I looking like a human being? Fuck! 9 minutes! You guys, sorry for swearing, but this shit is getting on my nerves. I don't know what I'm going to do next. Mascara, mascara, mascara. Because everything looks better when your lashes are. You guys, when I'm nervous or anxious, I always make foolish sounds and sing like weird songs. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I just do that. Oh my God. I'm just going to put highlight on my cheeks because that always makes everything look better. I'm not sure if you can see the highlight. Oh, I think this works. Yeah. Shit, I didn't contour. You guys, it's no time to blend. There's no time to blend any shapes. There's no time to blend. What's the time? No time. Okay, let's check how many minutes I have left. I think I'm doing good. Oh, great. I have 7 minutes left. So I think I can go back to my brows. Y'all, I'm killing these. I'm killing this. Okay. I need to go back to my brows. Whew. I think it looks decent. I think it does. This one looks a little bit longer than this one, but I think we can work with that. We can work with that. I think we can work with that. Oh! Where is this fucking brush? Oh! My God. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm under pressure. I'm under pressure. Oh, I'm under pressure. Oh. Oh, oh. When there's no time to do your entire eyebrows, just do the ends. That's what I do. When I don't have time to like clean the entire eyebrows, I just do the ends. It makes it look better. Oh my God! Even my monitor isn't cooperating with me today. Ah! Okay, blend, 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 blend. Whew. Let's see how many. I have 5 minutes left. That's a lot of time. I can't believe I did this. Shoot. I have 5 minutes left. Are you serious? I have time to blend. I can even do like my signature eyeliner sauce. Mulish eyeliner. Need 5 minutes. I can do it. I can do it. Wait, okay. I need to calm down. I'm getting too excited. I need to calm down. Okay, Lara, just take a minute. Okay. Yep. Moshi highlighter! Oh my God! I did my eyeliner. Oh God! God, my hands are shaking. My hands are shaking. Ah, Motiloma is up. Motiloma. Motiloma is up. I've messed it up. Oh, I have 3 minutes 11 seconds left. I'm just going to try and contour my eyes, my eyelid a little bit, so it has like definition, cause it just looks bland and I don't like it. I'm going to try and fix my shit. I'm going to try and fix my liner a little bit. Shit, 2 minutes. Oh! Shoot, who told me to do liner? King T Jeje, leave my eyes like this. Oh, fucking hell. Just shoot me in the head. Shoot me in the head. You guys, I think I tried to fix it. I think so. I'm just going to leave it like this. I have 1 minute 50 seconds left. I try my best, y'all. Lipstick! Oh! Lipstick! This was the first one my hand got to. There's no time to be doing Cupid's bow and stuff. Put it on the down lips, smack it to the top. That's it. That's it. I finish. I think I finished. Let me just take a brush and blend it all together. He said, look. He said, look. Their father. He said, look. Yeah, I said, look. See? I have 53 seconds. Abi, wait, 49 seconds to go. Mo make it. I made it. And he said, look. He said, look. You know I don't have eyeshadow and my eyeliner is like messed up. My eyebrows is not the best. But, see this. Take it. Give them. My highlight is popping. Don't look that bad. He don't look that bad. What do you think? I think I like it. I made it! Y'all, I did my face in 15 minutes. That's pretty good. Let me try and zoom in for you guys so you guys can see what I want. Okay, so I think you guys can see my... Okay, I think it's... Come on now, fix yourself. Okay, you can see my eyeliner, Abby. My eyeliner is going through it. Like this one is like, yes, I'm ready to single and ready to mingle. This one is like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what my life is a mess right now. Like that's what this eye is giving me. This is what I used. It's giving me life. I love it. I love highlighting. I love it. My eyebrows too. That's another story for another day. Because technically I didn't clean up the top. I only cleaned like this half part of the bottom. So that is not anything. But my lips is okay, I guess. My contour and my highlights, they are like living two separate lives. Like this one is like living its own, this one is living its own. Like, but from afar it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad from afar. I'm going to try and take a picture and insert it because, yeah, it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't look that bad. It doesn't. Can you guys see? I think it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't look that bad. It's not that bad. I like my eyeliner. This eyeliner I can fix, but I don't think it's that bad. So okay. But I'm proud of myself that I can do this in 15 minutes. Like my entire face in 15 minutes. There's no eyeshadow or anything, but thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. I just thought to do something fun. Not every time serious video. Not every time sit down and talk, you know. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.